We want to solve the following equations, giving exact solutions. The first one is e to the x equals 6. Begin by taking natural logs of both sides of the equation. We take the natural log since it is the inverse function for e to the x. Let's look at this in detail. We have a function, e to the x, and our input to that is x. This will then go through the second function. The output from this function would be e to the x, which would then go into log of x. These functions are inverses, so ln x undoes what e to the x does, and therefore gives us back x. Therefore, this side of the equation is just x, and that's equal to the natural log of 6. Now consider e to the 2x minus 3 equals 7. Taking the natural log of both sides, and since natural log and e to the x are inverse functions, this side just becomes 2x minus 3 is equal to log 7. Add 3 to both sides, and we get 3 plus log 7 on the right, and then divide both sides by 2. So we get 3 plus log 7, all divided by 2.